Welcome back to English is Easy. Today we are going to learn about the past perfect tense, what it is, when to use it, and how to make sentences easily. What is past perfect tense? The past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that was completed before another action in the past. Structure. Subject plus had plus past participle. V3. Examples. She had finished her homework before her mother came home. I had eaten breakfast when my friend arrived. Here, had finished and had eaten show actions completed before another past action. When do we use past perfect tense? 1. To show the first of two past actions. By the time the movie started, we had already bought the tickets. 2. To talk about cause and effect in the past. He was tired because he had worked all day. 3. To describe reported speech. Direct speech. She said, I finished my project. Reported speech. She said that she had finished her project. How to form sentences. Positive sentence so, subject plus, had plus past participle. They had left before it started raining. Negative sentence ag subject plus had not, hadn't plus past participle. She hadn't studied before the exam. Question. Had plus subject plus past participle? Had you ever visited London before 2010? Common time expressions with past perfect before after. By the time, already until never. Examples. I had never seen the ocean before my trip to Goa. By the time we reached the station, the train had left. Quick practice. Now, it's your turn. Fill in the blanks in the comments. 1. By the time the teacher arrived, we finish our homework. 2. She was late because she missed the bus. That's all about the past perfect tense. Remember, we use it to talk about an action completed before another past action. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English is Easy for more grammar lessons. See you in the next video.